Okay, so in the last video, what we did was we generated a UI model for the loan data. So just as a quick recap, we took and imported some loan data, and what we've been able to do is create a UI that has the loan information within it. Now, what I want to show in the next video is going from that UI model, which is here, is how we can use a worksheet. So these are one way to work with the data, but sometimes it's nicer that you work with a Excel-like interface, like a worksheet, where you're able to go in here, click, push F2, and update a field. Okay. Again, if you go on here, in Excel you can have drop downs, changing dates, etc. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that in Workmesh. Okay, so this is a UI model, as previously explained. Behind the scenes, there's a generated model that we can view, and everything is customizable. So to go into worksheet mode, you have a few options. You can go over here and click worksheet, or you can double click. So click worksheet. Okay, we're in worksheet mode, and we can click, and we can click. We can use arrow keys as well. What I am going to show you now, and we're going to add a few more columns. We're going to do it based on the model that we created. So column selected, select the column. Now what you see here is the word manual. Manual means that if you edit it, you're just going to edit the plain version. So if we go on this loan, it's actually still working. So you can see that we've got the loan, and we can pick from the date picker already. The system was more intelligent than I expected. Let's just go back to where we were. If we go to here, so let's just put the date in and click save. We have a date, and as you can see, that is loading, and again that will be showing in here. What we will now do with the Excel is let's remove these, and we're just going to pick them from here. So company name, product type, loan amount outstanding, due date, and days passed. So we'll add these, click save. Okay, maybe that's showing for a different reason. But due date, again, we want that to be a date. Days passed, that's fine. We'll have these rounded to the nearest number without any decimal places. We'll save that. So we've got days passed, we can edit. So Control Enter, just updates. Outstanding balance, can update that. But if we, are wanting to know, say, how much is being paid off, we can see the loan amount and the outstanding balance. Let's calculate the diff. So what we can do is in here we can add another column. We can set as a formula, and let's just name it with amount paid. And we'll just call this paid. Okay, so in here I can now use what we call a power formula, and if we hover over the fields, refresh. Something's gone wrong there. I can't have saved those before, so we'll just quickly add those again. Okay, we'll add those, we'll add the formula, we'll call that amount paid. Make it visually nicer with that. And we'll click save. Okay, great. So if we go on here, we've got data.loan amount and we've got data.outstanding balance. So on here, I can say data.loan amount minus data.outstanding balance. No. I think something is definitely going wrong.